This is a little review on the Cabela's Jerky Blaster sausage stuffing gun. So it comes with a loader, screw it onto either end, but usually this end. Pack it with your meat. I usually make little tubes of meat by hand and just kind of roll them and shove them down. And then this is for cleaning. You can wash out the tube with that with hot water and soap. This is for cleaning the ends. There's a little jerky recipe, or how to make jerky. You can pause the video to read that if you like. You can make tube meat sticks if you like, or you can make flat like Jack's Links. Either one of them are both kind of like Jack's Links. Stainless steel, both of those kinds. You can make your bratwurst or whatever you want with that tube. And it works really well. All you have to do is press this button in, and with the other hand, pull the shaft out, and then simply use the Jerky Blaster handle. And as you can see, it's getting shorter. Run it till it gets to the end. Get a grip of it. It stops when it gets to the end. Then you just push the button with the other hand, pull the rod out the rest of the way, unscrew this, fill it up, and then when you're done, all you have to do is take your parts, whatever you use, throw them in the dishwasher, unscrew these ends and this, just rinse them off, throw them in the dishwasher, and you'll be good to go the next time you want to use it. I've enjoyed it. It's a great product. Hope you like it.